Happy New Year. I am sure you're bombarded with new year, new you, do this, set this goal, do this new thing. And you've been through so much already. So I have a different approach and I hope this serves. Instead of that, how about using the new year as an opportunity for what you will not do, what you're willing to let go of, what no longer serves, what you've outgrown. So this way, instead of doing something in addition, you're doing less. You're not doing self-doubt anymore. You're not allowing the ruminating over what happened anymore. You're not going back to that painful experience in the same way anymore. You're letting go and letting go of the old thoughts, beliefs, behaviors, actions that no longer serve. And with that approach, it doesn't feel as overwhelming. It's not like, oh no, I have to do this too. No, you're doing less of, but you're doing less of the destructive things so that you can feel lighter, you can feel freer, you can feel happier. Betrayal is a reckoning, and you are invited to really reconstruct you. You let go of everything that no longer serves, and you create a version of you that would not have the opportunity to exist if the experience didn't happen. You don't want to waste this opportunity of trauma. You want to take that trauma, turn it into transformation, and one of the best ways I know is to start by reevaluating what it is you've outgrown that you're no longer willing to bring with you into this new year. And the new year is a great time to start with all of that. So I hope that helps. Happy New Year. Follow me for more.